Hey, Joe Proto here with one of the keys to understanding evil. No one is born hating another person because of the color of his skin, or his background, or his religion. People must learn to hate. And if they can learn to hate, they can be taught to love. For love comes more naturally to the human heart than its opposite. Evil is the absence of virtue. Fear is the absence of faith, just like darkness is the absence of light. With love, you'll find light, faith, and virtue. The unjust treatment of a people becomes more clear once we ask ourselves, would I like this done to me? Please be aware that the purpose of mean spirited propaganda is to make one set of people forget that the other sets of people are human too. It's been said the only thing necessary for evil to triumph is for good men to do nothing. So don't confuse turning the other cheek with turning a blind eye, or you may find yourself asking, how did this happen again? Let's work for a more just world. Enjoy the day.